2026 is here and you're still making age-old makeup mistakes? Not anymore. Hi, I'm Priyanka and you're watching me on BeBeautiful. And today, I'm going to run you through everything I've learned about makeup, but more importantly, what are the mistakes you need to be avoiding? So let's get into it. Number 1, not spending enough time on your base. Your makeup is as good as your base. Never skip this, as this is the key to long-lasting, dewy and fresh makeup. While a good cleanse, a hydrating moisturizer and applying SPF is something that we all do, I've now started applying more levels of hydration to my skin on the days I do wear makeup. I add in more hyaluronic acid either through serums or light consistency creams. You can choose your pick. For areas under my eyes, near my mouth and sides of the nose, I actually go in with an eye cream, and trust me, it works like a charm, as these areas are thinner than others and end up creasing faster as well. And then I add a light and hydrating primer to blur out my pores. And now my skin is finally ready to take in all that makeup. Number 2, using a dry beauty blender. A damp beauty blender is always better than using a dry one. And if you notice, there is a clear theme here, and it's hydration. So even for your beauty blenders, do not use them dry. Simply run them under water, squeeze out the excess and use them damp. It picks up the product better and even applies better. Pro tip, please do not apply your foundation directly onto your skin. Instead, use the back of your palm, pick up some of the product from there and then apply. It gives you more control and evenly applies across your face. Number 3, not letting your concealer self-set. Who knew that waiting just 15 seconds after you apply your concealer would be the magic trick to make it last longer? Once you've applied it, give the product a few seconds to actually soak into your skin. Have a sip of water, brush out your brows, or simply take a breathing break before you blend out your concealer. Seamless. Number 4, not blending using the proper technique. Dab, don't drag. Don't swipe your cream products, be it concealer, contour, or even your blush. Use soft dabbing motions to deposit the product into your skin. See how the product hasn't moved at all? Dragging or swiping the product can end up making it go back and forth, which can mess up your base and lead to less pigment as well. Number 5, overcoming blush blindness. First of all, I'm a blush puggloo and there is no such thing as too much blush for me. However, in your case, if you do overdo the blush, don't use a wet wipe or a dry cotton to correct it. Instead, take a few drops of concealer or foundation on the back of your palm and gently, in circular motions, just blend it over your cheeks. It reduces the pigment of the blush without looking out of place. And remember, use a light hand and just a little bit of product. Remember, less is more here. Number 6, setting your makeup with the wrong powder. This was a new one for me as well. But it doesn't get simpler than this. Loose powders are to set your makeup while applying. They have minimal coverage but lock in your cream products. And this too, you dab and do not drag. While compact powders are used to keep your makeup in place through the day. These powders have a bit more coverage, reduce oil production, and even out any breaks in the skin. Number 7, not lining your lips. Do not underestimate the power of a good lip liner, because I totally did, and I would often wonder why my lipstick was spreading, looking messy, and even less defined. And that's when enter lip liner. It acts like a boundary that smoothens the appearance of fine lines, makes your lipstick last longer, and makes your lips look fuller. Now tell me, who doesn't want that? And that's it. So these were some of the most common ways we sabotage our own makeup, but not anymore, because now we have a fix. Simple, easy, and very effective. Let me know in the comments if you use any tips or tricks to enhance your makeup. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to BeBeautiful, and I'll see you next time.